What's up, everybody? I am fresh out of the bath. I washed my hair. I'm gonna put on a sheet mask and put on my bougie body oil because it's just a kind of a day today. So I spent the whole day redoing my bedroom. Now I'm gonna show you, but one of my windows does not have the new curtains up. I ran out of steam, so I'll get to that later. But I'm gonna show you what I've been working on. I'm gonna scour my archives to see if I can find pictures of what my room looked like before. I'm still new to this whole documenting my life process, so I forget to film before and afters. But you can see the after, and I think it's pretty cute. So let me know what you think. All right, so this is my bedroom. This is my sanctuary of sorts. I usually don't let people in here. Like when I have parties and whatnot, the door is closed. When I find people in my bedroom who are not invited, I get very upset. Like old dude from Twilight, I can get very angry. That's how I am about my room. Don't come in here unless I let you in. So this picture is from Target. You know, I'm all about the luxurious black girl lifestyle. So when I saw her with her ponytail and her frilly white dress and her big hat, I said, I gotta have this. This is my bed from IKEA of sorts. I think this bed was called the Lily Sand or something like that. I've had this bed forever. My curtains, the white curtains are from Target. The outside curtains are Nicole Miller. And then this side table over here is a plant stand that I've actually had since college. And the height works perfectly. Back in college days when you used to loft your bed so you could put your junk underneath, like it was tall enough that I could still reach it. And I've kept it all of these years because my taste hasn't changed that much. Look at the color. That dusty rose pink is still my favorite color. This plant is fake. Y'all know how I am. That's my dog down there. That's one of his toys that he drags back and forth from underneath the bed. That's his dog bed here, but he either sleeps here or actually underneath my bed because my bed's kind of tall. That's my Dyson fan. I have a wall unit AC and it's only in the living room. It doesn't really blast into the room, so this fan really comes in handy. So this was my big project. I haven't taken all my old hooks down. As you can see, I used to have a different configuration in here. But this little jewelry rack, it says chill. And then I got my bracelets are in this little connected jar back there. And then I have this cool jewelry stand with a matching little trinket box. This is just sitting here. It's not part of the decor or part of the, it didn't come with it. There we go. And then I have a little marble tray, some of my catch-alls, some of my perfumes. This isn't my whole perfume collection. This is just what I have in the bedroom. Other stuff is in the bathroom. This was my signature scent, A-Palm. I miss this so much. Maison Francis Kierkegaard stopped making it. I have this one little eensy bit left that I'm just clinging to for dear life. Because again, they don't make this fragrance anymore. And I'm sad about it. This is the mirror I was cleaning earlier. It took me forever. There was something on it that just didn't want to come off. And even now that I'm looking up close, there's still a little bit of schmutz in the corner there, but it's good enough. I'm tired. Another fake flower, that's magnolia. Ironically, this mirror here is from the Magnolia Home Collection at Target. I've had this for a few years now, but I literally just put it up the other day. And the flowers are magnolia. Then I have a little artwork here. Life is beautiful because it is. So this little vanity chair here, this was my great grandmother's, and I keep it even though it's like the threads coming off on the arms. I still like that just to kind of show how old it is. I may get it reupholstered one of these days, but not today. This is this flower pillow. I got that from JCPenney way back when I was in college too. So I've had a lot of stuff for a long time. Got these pictures here, this lamp. So everything in here pretty much, except for the window treatments, got to replace this one, but these are new. And then this whole little arrangement here is new. Everything else is the same. Comfy white bed. I love white sheets, white linens. This is from Target as well. It's the Shabby Chic collection. And then the little sun pillow is Justina Blankenly. I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but I like her stuff too. And bring a little sunshine inside. That's a Himalayan salt lamp. This little catch-all tray here, I know this is ugly, but this was my great grandma's as well. And instead of having I used to have a little box here, but now I use this tray. And so this is the body oil I'm gonna put on in a minute. And then I just picked up this little purifying sheet mask from, I don't know where. I have a bunch of sheet masks everywhere. So that's my room. That's my iPad over there. It's playing some music, but I turned it down low. These are the clothes for the Shein haul I'm gonna do with my cousin. This is stuff that she bought me. I need to try on. Half of it's not gonna fit, unfortunately. That's my exercise bike that I still haven't put together. I'm gonna do that one of these days. One last thing, this is my dresser. This is the Randomness, I guess that's how you say it, dresser from IKEA. I've also had this since I moved in initially, and the knobs on it are from Anthropologie. So it's just a basic IKEA dresser, and then I put some fancy bougie knobs on it, and I think it really classes up the joint. I'm in here trying to clean up, and this dog decides that that's the best place to go to sleep. He's so funny. Here's a little housekeeping tip for you. If you have a mirror that just won't get clean, I don't know if you can see the streaks in the reflection, but I've wiped this mirror like 35 times for maybe 10 minutes straight, and it's still streaky. I use alcohol, I use glass cleaner. But what you need to do when that happens, there's something on the surface that's just not coming off. So get a wad of toilet paper, and then it takes some elbow grease. But if you keep wiping it, whatever it is that's sticking to the surface will eventually kind of come off. So can you see the difference there on that side and this side? You just have to like wipe. Okay, so I'm gonna lay here and luxuriate for the next 15 minutes with this mask on. I plan to do a whole lot more talking, but the mask keeps kind of riding up into my eyes. So, that's it for my talking. I can't get too comfortable because I gotta run and pick up some stuff from Whole Foods. Y'all pray for my auntie. She has contracted COVID. As far as I know, she's not like dog sick, but she doesn't feel well. She is down to the bed. So, a friend of mine put together a list of supplements that help your immune system, and I'm gonna go pick that up. So I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna give you some highlights from last week. Again, I didn't do a quality job filming, but I did put a little few snippets in there. So I'm gonna edit those together. You'll see my last week, and let me know how you're doing in the comments. I'm genuinely concerned. I want to know, how are you? Also, let me know if you want me to include those supplements in the comment section. I'm not going to copy and paste all that stuff if I don't have to, but if you want to know, put it in the comments and I will add to the description box of the video. Good morning or good afternoon, walking the dog. But I wanted to check in and show you this hair before I start moving around and it starts to nap up. But that's how my twist out turned out. Look pretty good. Oh, can I reach this? They make this thing hella inconvenient to get to. Vroom. So I am at Walgreens waiting to get a flu shot. Am I the only one who admires their legs and their shoes? I don't know. This girl got some pretty legs. This is the second flag box that I have ordered, and this one is not as scuffed and beat up as the first one, but it's still not good. I mean, I don't know what factory these come from, but they need better craftsmanship. I'm not in really good light, so you can't see how the corners are all nicked. This thing, I'm gonna keep it just because I'm tired of the hassle. Y'all, I ordered this little velvet little lounge two-piece set from Amazon. It's supposed to be a 4X. 4X where? This is straight up small, extra small. Like, whose little booty is gonna fit in here? Not mine. Certainly not mine. All right, y'all, I am getting ready to meal prep. It's Friday, but this is like my only free night, and I've got something similar to a Hell Week coming up. I'm usually not a meal prepper, but I'm trying to be smart about this game. So these are some shrimp that I have seasoned with Old Bay and black pepper, and used avocado oil. I'm gonna pop these in the oven. I preheated it to 365. I'm gonna make two things with this. I'm gonna make a mayonnaise based shrimp salad, and then just have some shrimp on the side to add into other dishes. Taking a walk by the river. Beautiful Fort Lauderdale. Hello. Who's that girl with the mask on? We had to make a stop at Cheesecake Factory so the dog could get some water. So, working it out, getting my life right with the homie. You want to be on camera? Nope, she don't want to be on camera. And there's the dog. See if he wants some more while I'm sitting getting my breath. I can't whistle with my mask on. Come here, dog. Come here. Another thing I have to tell y'all, whenever you hear rappers talking about YOLO in Miami, they are not telling the truth. YOLO is in Fort Lauderdale, right over there. That's where YOLO is, Fort Lauderdale. I gotta go check this exhibit out. Y'all know I love my fashions. The World of Anna Sue, February 28th to September 19th at the Museum of Art. So, that's the rooftop. That's the popular spot. I'm gonna get dressed up and go there one night. And this behind me is the Huizenga Plaza. If y'all remember some of the pictures on my exit card, I took right over here. So me and the dog and Janice are still walking. What I got? This is my Shein package. Bum, bum, bum. Now we're just waiting for Nika to get hers shipped to New Orleans. Oh, I didn't unlock the door. And then we can do our little haul video. Yay!
Praise the Lord. Every day is sweeter than the day before.
Can y'all hear
God
her?
is good.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So we're celebrating my grandma's birthday today with a Zoom party, but it seems like people aren't really that tech savvy. Hello, who's there?
Time I was a little girl, and I was thanking her for living the life that she lived before us to let us know that God is able to keep you. She's still a beautiful woman. She's still a blessed woman. And so I'm just happy to be able to say happy birthday to her.
I appreciate you more than you could ever imagine. And I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
And so you are my idol, my role model, and I just respected you to the utmost and still do.
Does anybody else hate getting gas? I thought I could hold out to the morning. Said I had 3 miles to empty, but now it's just lines. There's not even any numbers there. So now I got to pull over and get some gas. Darn it. Okay, so I'm over here at the Wawa. I just finished gassing up. So before y'all think that I'm completely irresponsible, I do have a Costco membership, and I was trying to wait till I got over there before I gassed up, but I'm just never on that side of town. Like I'm an east side girl, not a west side girl. So anyway, so I finished Well, my hand was all in the way of the camera. So I finished gassing up. But while I'm at the pump, this man rolls up on me asking for $7. Like, not $1, not spare change. He asked for $7. And prior to that, and he had no mask on. And prior to that, at the intersection when I was waiting to turn into the gas station, another man actually knocked on my window, like took his hand and tapped on my window. He also had no mask on. And I'm just, A, okay, it's dangerous out here. Masks are given away to everybody. People just refuse to wear them. And B, now this person's emptying trash out of their car. People are littering over here. So anyway, so A, masks are plentiful. And B, call me sexist if you want to, but I just have a problem with all these men out here asking women for money, like begging for money. Why are you begging women for money? Beg other men for money. A man should not be asking a woman to give him anything. Call me what you want. That's how I feel. And I doubt you could change my opinion on it, but if you got smoke for me, leave it in the comments.